Hi, this is Jim Fisher, lead camera analyst at PC Mag. I am here with the RX100 VII, Sony's latest premium point-and-shoot compact, and one of the features is extra stabilization for vlogging. So we're going to check that feature out. I've got the camera screen up facing me. I've got a backlight situation here, and we're just going to do a little walking, see how the stabilization goes while I walk and talk with my vlogging, which is not my major skill set. I am on grassy, uneven ground here on a frosty morning. All right, then we'll turn the camera around and video something that's not me. Just doing a little walk and talk here towards the sun, towards the icy trees, get some nice reflections and things going on in the footage, and we'll see how my voice carries while I do this walk and talk with the camera's built-in mic. It does have a mic input. There's no way to mount it. I don't have the mic accessory for this, but you can use a standard 3.5mm as well.